4 tips for distributing household chores equitably. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello and welcome to a new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. Moving in with another person is a moment of true importance. It is a proper way to find out whether you are good for each other. Surely the process of adapting is difficult since both of you have different habits. Many conflicts at home are caused by unfair allocation of all domestic cleaning duties that need to be performed every single day. It is clear that numerous fights result in enormous stress that can ruin your relationship. In the tips below, you will discover some ideas regarding how to decide on household chores. All these tips are simple to follow, and they can spare you and your partner lots of nerves. Tip number 1. The list. It is useful that both of you create a list of all chores you hate. In this way, you will find out what the other person truly wants to avoid. You find dishwashing an endless torture. Maybe your partner is more inclined to take control over that duty. In case there are tasks that both of you are reluctant to handle, just take turns at fulfilling them. It would also be nice if you deal with these dreadful chores together. Working as a team may even bring you closer to each other. Tip number 2. Fulfillment. As you have already revealed your preferences, it is time to act on the chores. Having them scheduled is the best advice you can follow. Pick a specific day for each task and tell your partner how often you believe chores should be dealt with. Do not forget that each person has a different idea of what a clean home is. So do your best to reach an agreement when deciding on the routine. Home cleaning tasks can be numerous and there is no right or wrong way to execute them. Just make sure that you try sticking to the schedule. That is how conflicts can be avoided. Tip number 3. Communication. When it comes to maintaining the desired order at home, relying on your partner matters. So if one of you skipped changing the sheets, or did not dust the shelves like a pro, talk about it. Putting blame on each other never works. On the other hand, discussing house cleaning issues is much more effective and can actually solve your problems. Try to be as flexible as possible. Since everyone has their own perception of how to carry out a task, you may find your partner's habits weird. The reality is you cannot change them. Your better option is to get used to them without making a big deal of each mismatch. Tip number 4. Professional help. Household responsibilities should not cause huge arguments. They are part of your everyday life, and it would be good if you and your partner handle them easily. However, if you have reached a point when it is clear that agreement is impossible, pros are the remedy. Getting a professional company to maintain your place in perfect condition will spare you lots of mere arguing. Of course, it will cost you some extra money, but preserving the peace at home is of greater importance. The way you handle home cleaning duties can really test the strength of your relationship. That is why you should make sure that you are reasonable and fair when taking care of your place. Bear in mind these simple tips, so that you and your person feel absolutely comfortable at home. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.